All right, everybody, how do we find out the height and weight of your horse? The weight tape. Today we're going to learn how to use weight tape. All right, so every 4 inches is a hand. We go from the withers all the way down. Now, if you look at the weight tape, it'll say toe goes here. Find the toe goes here part. The toe goes here. So you're going to put your toe right there. See, it's a little more complicated than you think. But find the edge where your toe is. There you go. Now you're going to go straight up. And you're going to find out with your hand straight across here. So looks like we've...
bend it or put it straight?
You got it. You actually keep it straight. You don't want to bend, so you want to come off. Yeah, there you go. So it looks like we're right at 15.3, almost 16 hands. Very good. Now let's go over here to Luna. Same thing. Toe go on.
0.3.
So top of the withers. So we're looking at 14.3 to almost 15 hands for Luna. Now let's determine the weight. Why would it be interested to know what the horse weighs?
See if they're fat or not.
That's a good answer. But usually it's for medications like worming. So we got to find out how much they weigh. So that part is going to be the other side of the tape. Now, when you flip the tape over, you'll notice it has the weight on here. So you're going to go all the way around from, again, here all the way through the heart girth. Flip it over and put it around the horse. Okay, so we have to get it all the way around, and you're going to find the end right here. See where it says height, and it's going to be weight. So we're going to say he's right at 1,030 pounds. There you go. Keep the top of the withers in this thing because it's the heart girth. All right. So if you look up here, look at where it goes, you can see that. So we're looking at, so one side this, one side that. All right. With her, actually, we're looking at about 950 pounds. So about 950 with her. Okay. So there you go. Height and weight. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlists.